Do you see that? Come here, take a look. Yeah, I can't believe it. Yeah, that's fake news. Hi, my name is Devin and welcome to my channel. I wanted to make this quick and dirty little video on Alibaba. Earnings for Q2 of 2020 is coming up on Thursday, and I just happened to receive this notification on my phone that said Trump is going to put more pressure on Chinese companies with Alibaba in the image. And then so I YouTubed it, and then all these Indian channels came up and they're saying how Trump wanted to delist Alibaba. So basically I read the article, and it basically just said that a reporter had asked Trump about whether or not Trump would exert pressure on Chinese companies like Alibaba. And Trump replied, well, we're looking at other things, yes. So basically the title of this article, or the image of the article, is very misleading. And coincidentally, it's right before Q2 of Alibaba. So I was actually hoping that this was going to put some pressure on the price today, which is Monday, August 17th, and so that I could pick up some calls or buy some shares at a lower price, and looking for a pop on Thursday after earnings are reported. One of the reasons why I'm expecting a really good earnings from Alibaba is because of Amazon. Amazon's sales soared as the pandemic fueled online shopping. Earnings were $10.30 per share versus an expected $1.46 per share, according to analysts. And revenue was 88.91 billion versus 81.56 billion expected. And guess what? A lot of the sellers sourced their products from Alibaba. And if we look at Shopify, their shares jumped 7% after the hot e-commerce company says second quarter revenue increased by 97%. So all these people who are starting businesses on Shopify, you know, some of them are also sourcing things from China. And the easiest way to access any products from China is through Alibaba and contacting the vendors. The third thing that gives me a lot of confidence in Alibaba is the price action of the stock. You see, ever since July, this gap up, it's been kind of holding this line, this trend line right here. And we can now see that in the last few days, there's been some pressure on the price, but really it's reclaimed the 13-day moving average, and that there is a lot of resistance around this price range right here, about $240. And so this is kind of the floor after the most recent gap up right here. And so for all these reasons, I'm looking at a upward trend, holding really well this trend line right here. And I expect a pop in the price after earnings. You know, there's resistance here at 266, but once it gets past that, I feel like it can get much higher. So one thing that does give me some reservation about Alibaba is that Alibaba is already trading at a price to earnings ratio of 31.32. And if we look at other big companies, like let's say Apple, they're trading at about 34.93. Costco is trading at 39.74, and let's take a look at Walmart, and Walmart's trading at 25.22, and these are hugely successful companies. So the reason I'm not really using Amazon is because their price to earnings doesn't really make any sense. They're trading at 121. eBay's trading at 20.57. So you can see that as it currently stands, Alibaba is not very cheap right now in comparison to some of the market leaders. But I feel like there's going to be a lot of excitement, and that's why the price will probably jump. I've heard some analysts say that the price can go up to 290. I am not as optimistic. I'm really thinking, you know, 270. I'm good at taking a profit at 270. So even though the price didn't go down, I did take some shares this morning, and we'll see on Thursday what happens. Okay, sorry, this was super quick and super dirty, but I just need to get this out of here because I need to get on with my day, and this video only has value for the next 3 days. Happy trading. I hope that you make the right moves. I hope I did as well. Again, this is not any type of trading advice to buy or not buy. Just simply my evaluation on the stock, and hope you found this useful in some way. Okay, if you liked it, please subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Bye-bye.